everybody, and welcome to today's video, which is building my very first gaming PC. Right here I have almost all of my parts. This is my case and my monitor, and I have like everything that I need here, except for my CPU, motherboard, and CPU cooler and RAM, because my husband is upgrading his, and so he's giving me those parts to use for my first one. So those I'm going to show you later in the video when I'm putting everything together, but for right now I'm just going to be unboxing the case and showing you everything that I have right now, including my monitor and mouse and keyboard and stuff. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing all of this. And we're gonna open this up. So this is the first box. We'll set that aside. More box. Side and slide out, I think. Okay, just box this that way. Okay, I'll just like oh yes. Going to put it right here for now. I'm assuming like screws and wires. All right. Oh no, this is cracked. Okay, it's fine. It's just the container for the screws. Okay, so there's some zip ties, extra screws in here. Don't know what any of this says. There's just some like extra panels and stuff in this box. So I don't know if I'm gonna need that or not, but that is what it says. Okay, so until I put it in the motherboard, I'm going to keep this storage package like this, because it like you can see it. It doesn't need to be unpackaged right now. So I will film myself putting this in the motherboard later. This also doesn't need to be unpackaged until the very end. This is the Windows 11 that I got to set up with my PC. So keeping that boxed with the storage. It's not in a box because it just came in the Amazon packaging, but this is the little mouse pad that I got. I like that it's like what's the word? Like an abstract shape. It's not a circle, it's not an oval, but it's like nice. Anyways, this is the Razer mouse that I got. It's white and it has like white light on it, so that's cool. Let's unbox this. This is the manual. And this is the mouse. So yeah, this is my mouse. There's buttons on the side, and when I plug it in, it will light up. So, all right, let's unbox this GPU. Oh, before I unbox it, this is the one that I got, and it might be hard to see on video, but the box is sparkly, and on the back too, it's like sparkles. Anyways, I just thought that was cool. This is a cord. And I'm assuming this is, oh yes, setup easy guide. This is the like installation thing. But here is the beautiful, let me take it out, GPU. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. This is what the top looks like. I got the white one. And it also, these fans and this lettering here is RGB, so it'll light up when I turn it on, and I'm so excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it in this packaging for now until we get it set up in the case. So that's what this looks like. This is a keyboard that I got on Amazon. I will have everything that I bought linked in the description below if you're interested in any. If you're interested in any of it. How do I open this? This is what it looks like. It's got round keys, which makes it more of like a typewriter vibe. And I like that it's pretty like quiet, but it's still got that like, it almost sounds like popping bubbles, like a little popping bubble sound. So I'm very excited to be using this keyboard. These are my fans that I bought. There's 6 of them because this particular case doesn't come with any fans. So I bought 6 to put like on the sides or on the bottom. I'll figure it out later. Alright, so into some screws, instructions, and these are the fans. Oh my goodness, this is no deal. But these fans are RGB from the middle of it. So when it spins, the whole entire fan is like lighting up. Anyways, I'm excited about that. I think what I will probably do is put like a sticker here or something just to like go with the white theme that I have, make it a little bit more cohesive. And this is what the back looks like. So I'll probably put a sticker on this too, so that it looks good from the front and the back. Now here is the power supply unit that I got. It's it matches with the case, so it's the same company. I like that it comes with white cables as well, and the entire unit is white, so it matches. Ta-da! So we have this. Oh, it's a cute little thank you. Alright, thank you for your purchase. And then this is what it looks like. It's got this little on and off switch. This is what the back looks like. And once again, I'm going to keep this in the packaging until I am setting everything up. But yeah, I like the way it looks. I like the silver accent here. Let's see what else is in here. Because we've got this weird fabric package. Oh, I see. So this is all the cables. Oh, so some of these are actually braided cords, and then some of them are like that plastic like covering, but I was not expecting braided cords. That's really cool. So this is a little handy bag for that. That's really cool. A little drawstring bag. Wow, that's awesome. This is the monitor that I got. It's a 27-inch Dell monitor, and it's huge. And I'm gonna wait until the end of this video after I've already built the PC to unbox it, because I don't want it to be like on my desk and get in the way, so I would rather keep it in the box for now. But now I'm just going to kind of disassemble this case and get it ready to have stuff put in it. Reminds me of a refrigerator shelf. So this is the bottom dust filter. It goes right here. It just slides into place. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Anyways, the next part will be installing motherboard and everything that goes in here. Okay everyone, so this is my final desk PC setup. I have all the RGB lights going. You can see my little Squishmallow stress ball here and my little Hedwig Funko Pop here, and you can also see from the side it looks really awesome. I also ended up putting my Switch here so that way I can have it hooked up to my monitor and I'm able to play not only my PC games but my Switch games as well. So I'm really happy with this desk setup. I think it looks really great. And I'm definitely going to be using it for gaming, schoolwork, video editing, like a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm very excited for that. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video watching me build my very first gaming PC and putting together my whole setup. And obviously this was not a tutorial, just how I put it together and it works. So if you have similar parts, if you want, you can probably do some of the same things I did. But I would definitely, if you're looking for a tutorial or how-to, I would definitely recommend checking out other videos on YouTube because that was helpful for me when I was building this. Definitely look out for future gaming videos from me. I'm going to be uploading some of those. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jasmine the Waffle, and don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye guys!